Hello and welcome to Lovely English Stories. Thank you for stopping by. This story is for intermediate English learners. Are you ready? Well, let's get started. A new future. B1 to B2 story with vocabulary explanations. Daniel stood at the factory gate just before 6 each morning, waiting for the doors to open. The sky was usually grey, and the air smelt of oil and cold metal. He had worked there for 5 years, operating the same machine on the same production line. Every day followed the same pattern, and each day felt heavier than the last. Inside, the factory was loud. Machines hummed, clanked, and vibrated constantly. Daniel spent hours repeating the same movements, checking parts, pressing buttons, and watching the clock. Breaks were short and conversations were brief. Most workers were tired, and few talked about anything other than how long they had left until the end of the shift. By the time Daniel finished work, his body ached and his mind felt empty. He did not hate work itself. What made him unhappy was the feeling of being stuck. His pay covered rent and bills, but there was little left at the end of the month. He lived in a small flat near the industrial estate, and his evenings were quiet and repetitive. Sometimes he wondered if this was all his life would be: work, sleep, repeat. One evening, after a particularly long shift, Daniel sat at his kitchen table and opened his laptop. He searched for ideas about changing careers in the UK. At first, the options felt confusing. Many jobs asked for qualifications he did not have. Others required experience he could not get without leaving the factory, which felt risky. Still, reading about other paths gave him a small sense of hope. He began to look into adult education. In the UK, many colleges offer evening courses for people who work full-time. Daniel found courses in electrical work, plumbing, and IT. These jobs seemed practical and in demand. He also read about apprenticeships for adults, which allow people to earn money while learning new skills. The idea of learning again made him nervous, but also excited. At work, Daniel started to notice how unhappy he truly felt. The noise bothered him more. The long hours felt harder to accept. At the same time, this discomfort pushed him forward. During lunch breaks, he read articles about training programs and government support. He learned about grants and loans that could help pay for courses. Slowly, the idea of change became more real. Daniel also spoke to people outside the factory. A friend who worked in construction told him about starting as a trainee in his 30s. Another neighbour had retrained as a care worker and felt proud of helping others. These stories showed Daniel that it was possible to build a better life, even if it took time. After several weeks of research, Daniel applied for an evening course in electrical installation at a local college. It meant long days, working at the factory and studying at night, but he felt something he had not felt in years: purpose. He knew the road ahead would not be easy, and there were no guarantees. Still, Taking action made the factory feel less like a trap and more like a temporary step. Daniel continued to work the production line, but now he carried a quiet determination with him. The noise was the same, the work unchanged, but his mindset was different. He was no longer just surviving, he was preparing for something better, believing that in the UK, with effort and patience, a different life was possible. Now, let's go through some of the vocabulary from this story. If there's a word that we've missed that you'd like explaining, then please pop it in the comments below and we will get back to you. Let's start with hummed, to hum. If something has hummed, it has made a low continuous sound like this. The machines hummed all day in the factory. Discomfort. Discomfort is a feeling of physical or mental unease. The noise caused constant, that means all the time, discomfort. Installation means the act of putting equipment in place. He studied electrical installation at college. Retrained or to retrain is to learn new skills for a different job. His neighbour retrained as a care worker. Vibrated or to vibrate means to move slightly and quickly back and forth. The floor vibrated when the machines ran. Mindset. This is the way someone thinks about things. His mindset changed. You can have a positive mindset and a negative mindset. Clanked. If something clanks, it makes a loud metal sound. Metal parts clanked on the production line. Repetitive. Repetitive means to be done again and again. The work felt repetitive and boring. Constantly. Constantly means all the time. The machines ran constantly during shifts. Construction is the work of building houses or structures. His friend worked in construction. Determination. To have determination is to have a strong decision to keep going. You are determined to keep going. He felt determination to change his life. Estate. An estate is an area with factories or homes. He lived near an industrial estate. Found means to have discovered something. He found a course at a local college. Grants. Grants are money given to help pay for study or training. He applied for grants to support his course. It's free money that you don't have to pay back. Guarantees are promises that something will happen. There were no guarantees of success. Industrial means related to factories and industry. The industrial area was loud and busy. Movements. Movements are actions of the body. His movements were the same every day. It was repetitive. Remember? Something that you do again and again. Patience is the ability to wait calmly. Change required patience and effort. Practical means useful and realistic. He chose a practical skill to study. Production is the process of making things, of making goods. He worked on the production line. Risky. If something is risky, it involves danger or uncertainty. Leaving his job felt risky. Shift. A shift in in this version of the story means a period of time at work. You're working a shift. He worked the early morning shift. Shifts in workplaces are usually morning, afternoon, evening, late, nights. So, doctors, people in hospitals, or in factories often work day, late, or night shifts. Surviving means managing to live through a difficult period or a difficult situation. He felt he was surviving, not living. Trap. A trap is a situation that is hard to escape. The factory felt like a trap. Truly. Truly means really or honestly. He was truly unhappy at work. Unchanged. If something is unchanged, it means it stays the same. The factory remained unchanged. We hope you enjoyed this lovely English story and the vocabulary explanations. Thank you for stopping by. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Find out more in the description box below about becoming a member and supporting the channel. And don't forget, we've also got some productivity packs and useful resources over on our Etsy. See you soon!